Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've had this Lamborghini Huracan Sterato dropped off. This has come in for one of our stage 1 audio upgrades, which comprises of an Audison system. We'll talk about what we've installed at the end of this video. And it's also come in for a camera solution. It's the Bespoke solution which we've designed for these Lamborghini Huracans, because you can't see anything out of the rear view mirror because of the great big scoop on the back. So the customers come back and forth to us, done some consultations online on phone, and we finally decided what we're going for. The car's been delivered on the trailer, as you've probably just seen. We're going to get it in the workshop, get stuck in, hopefully shoot a bit of B-roll showing you what we're doing, and at the end of the video we'll explain to you what we've actually done. So let's get this in the workshop and let's get stuck in. Hello guys, welcome back. So the Lamborghini Huracan is now all complete, ready for collection. We're just waiting on the delivery team to come and pick the car up and take it away, collection team. So let's just quickly talk about what we've actually done. So the owner of this car approached us. It left Lamborghini with the base audio system, so just a basic system, which is literally just an 8-inch speaker in the door and a tweeter on top of the dash underneath the covers. So stock system. And it sounds really poor. It's you know, very underwhelming. There's nothing there really. And again, once again, I know people say you don't buy a Lamborghini for the audio, but you know, there's only so much you can put up with that noise when you're on a long journey. So the owner approached us. He looked at some of our videos, and what he liked about it was he wanted something that looked as stock as possible. So he didn't want anything where things were showy. He wanted the car to look completely stock. Didn't want anyone to know he's had anything done whatsoever. So we've got it in. You could call it like a stage 1 audio upgrade. So this is a real popular system we do down here, and it works. It really works. For what you spend, you get a lot of bang for your buck. It's a really good system. So it's an Audison system, so a complete Audison system. And so what we do is we start off with the doors. The door cards came off. We've completely sound deadened all the doors, because that's the first point of call. Without sound deadening, you're just not going to give the speakers the right environment to play in. We've then used custom 3D mounted speaker collars to allow us to mount 8-inch Audison drivers in the door. So we've gone for 8s in the door. So these cars take 8s, and you know, the 8s sound brilliant because he's not having a subwoofer. I think the 8s work really well because they drop really low. The bass response from these 8s is fantastic. We've spent the last couple of hours tuning it, and we've thrown all sorts of music at it, and it sounds really, really good. I mean, something like this, you've really got to hear it because it doesn't do it justice on video. It sounds absolutely fantastic. I can't overlay video footage of what it sounds like because A, our normal microphone doesn't work and it doesn't show it properly, and B, we keep getting copyright marks against our YouTube channel, so we've got to be careful. But 8s in the doors in custom 3D mounted collars. We've then replaced the tweeters in the stock location, so they've gone in 3D printed collars again. Stock location. We've again used Audison tweeters. These sound brilliant for what they are, sound absolutely fantastic. They're very efficient. So with the power we're putting on them, they sound brilliant. We're running the whole system off an 8-channel Audison DSP amplifier, and this DSP amplifier has gone behind the seats under the factory cover, once again hidden away. And the way we've utilized these 8 channels is, so 2 channels, so say for example channel 1 and 2 by running the tweeters on top of the dash. We've then bridged 4 of the channels. So channel 3 and 4 is running the left woofer in the door. 5 and 6 is bridged running the right woofer in the door. And we've actually got 2 channels spare. So the idea behind that was we use an 8-channel amp because A, we get more power to the speakers, and B, we get 2 channels left over. What this does is it gives the owner the option of further expanding the system should he like. I mean, if he doesn't want to, you know, no problem. But if you look at the video of the black Huracan that we did, that car was done originally with just a very similar system to this. We used an 8-channel amp, and he's now come back and we've actually added a 10-inch Audison subwoofer in the car, and he didn't have to buy another amplifier. We had 2 channels spare. We just retuned it, sounded brilliant. So he has got 2 channels spare. Whether he wants us to, you know, in the future put rear speakers in, which we can do, or add a subwoofer on, he has got that option there. Sounds absolutely brilliant. It sounds absolutely fantastic, in fact. Now, with a DSP, you've got to tune it all on a computer. And because we do so many Lamborghinis, I think we've got these quite well set now, the way we do them. And no matter what music you throw at this car, it plays it really well. We always speak to the owner about what type of music they listen to, and we try and sort of tune it best for that. But the tune we've got on these now is pretty much bulletproof. Everyone who's had a system just can't believe the transformation in the car. So firstly, it's coming for the audio upgrade. Second thing this customer went for, he's gone for our bespoke camera solution. Now this is really popular. We've had people from all over the country for this system, and we've actually recently got a couple of clients overseas who want to either fly the cars over or us fly out and do the job. It's just trying to work out if it's, you know, we can do it and it's worthwhile. So because this has got a great big scoop on the back of the car, you can't see anything out of the rear view mirror. And it's pretty pointless, to be honest with you. So what we've done is we've added another camera on the back of the car. It's you know, not too obvious. It doesn't look out of place. You'd think it was stock. We then replaced the factory stock mirror with our monitor, and this is where the magic's at. So we've done a lot of R&D when we designed these, because we've got a couple of clients who were really asking for it. So there's a lot of messing about, if I'm honest with you, but we've perfected it now. And our monitor, we've designed it so it attaches onto the factory Lamborghini Boss on the windscreen. So it literally clips onto the Lamborghini windscreen like your Lamborghini mirror would. And you've then got a couple of plastic cowlings which go around it, and even they fit as stock. So if this car went into Lamborghini or went in for a windscreen change, they could literally unclip it, undo our monitor exactly like they would your Lamborghini mirror, and you know, everything looks completely stock. You can't see any cables, everything's fully hidden. You know, we've done it to a very high standard, which is obviously what we do down here. That system is really popular. So he's gone for the camera solution as well. The camera kit itself, so it's got a camera on the back. You can also adjust the camera up and down, so you know, if you want to move it around. It's also got a camera in the monitor as well, so if the owner wants, you can stick an SD card in there and use it as a dash camera as well. So it is sort of 2-in-1 system. Works really well, really good picture. So all in all, we've done the full audio upgrade on this car, plus our camera solution. Car sounds fantastic. Car's getting collected shortly. We're just waiting on the recovery driver to come and take it back, a transport company to come and take the car back. Been an absolute pleasure to work on this. Obviously, there's Sterato here. You know, we've got another Lamborghini Huracan STO over there waiting parts. So we do a lot of supercars down here, whether it be a Ferrari, a McLaren, or whatever. You know, so if anybody has got a query and they want to upgrade the audio system in their supercar, feel free to drop us a shout, email us, get in touch, and we'll speak to you, and we can always design something bespoke for you. We can arrange collection from anywhere in the country, and you know, get your car down and get it all done for you. Anybody's got any questions about this system, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'm out.